Deck the walls with holiday cheer. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a festive phrase that you might hear a lot during the holiday season: deck the walls with. This phrase is not just about decoration. It's a gateway to understanding cultural traditions, enhancing your vocabulary, and grasping the nuances of English expressions. So, let's dive in and unwrap the meaning and usage of this phrase together. Deck the walls with is a variation of the more commonly known phrase, deck the halls with, which originates from a popular Christmas carol. To deck, in this context, means to decorate or adorn a space or area. When we talk about decking the walls, we're referring to the act of decorating the walls of a house or room with holiday decorations. These decorations could include wreaths, lights, garlands, and any other festive ornaments that bring out the holiday spirit. The tradition of decorating spaces during the holiday season is a practice observed in many cultures around the world. It symbolizes joy, celebration, and the spirit of giving. By decking the walls, people create a festive atmosphere that fosters warmth, togetherness, and a sense of belonging. This practice is not just limited to homes. Schools, offices, and public spaces also embrace the tradition, showcasing community spirit and shared joy. The phrase, deck the walls with, can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it describes the physical act of decorating. Metaphorically, it can signify preparing for a celebration or getting into a festive mood. It's a versatile expression that can be adapted to various contexts, such as preparing for a holiday party. Let's deck the walls with lights and garlands to create a magical atmosphere. Creating a festive work environment. Our team decided to deck the walls with handmade decorations to spread holiday cheer. Learning phrases like deck the walls with not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your cultural literacy. Here are some related expressions and words to broaden your festive lexicon. Adorn, another term for decorate, emphasizing beauty through additions. Garland, a decorative wreath or chain, often made of flowers, leaves, or lights, used in festive decorations. Wreath, a circular arrangement of flowers, leaves, or other materials, traditionally used as a sign of honor or celebration. We hope this video has brightened your day and enriched your understanding of the phrase, deck the walls with. Whether you're preparing to celebrate a holiday or just looking to add a little festive flair to your everyday language, remember that the spirit of the season is all about warmth, joy, and community. Keep practicing your English, and don't be afraid to sprinkle your conversations with a bit of holiday cheer. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.